In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your Shopify domain. This is a crucial step for any Shopify store owner because verifying your domain not only strengthens your brand's credibility, but also plays a significant role in improving your site's SEO. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to verify your domain, ensuring your Shopify store is set up for success. Let's begin by navigating to the Shopify website. Once you're there, the first step is to log in to your account. You'll find the login button prominently displayed. A click here will take you closer to accessing your Shopify admin dashboard. After clicking login, you will need to enter your store's information. This could be your store name or the email address associated with your Shopify account. Make sure to enter the correct details here to avoid any login issues. Moving forward, you'll see an option that says Continue with email. This is particularly useful if you have multiple Shopify stores or if you prefer using your email over other sign-in methods. Click on it to proceed with your email credentials. Next, you'll be prompted to choose an account if you're using a shared device or have multiple Google accounts logged in. Select the Google account associated with your Shopify store. This step is straightforward, just make sure you choose the account you initially used for setting up your Shopify store to avoid any synchronization issues. Once logged in, you'll land on the Shopify admin dashboard. Here is where all the magic happens, from managing products to tracking orders. But for today, our focus is on verifying our domain, so let's head over to the Settings section located at the bottom left corner of your dashboard. Under Settings, you will find various options to customize and configure your Shopify store. Look for the Domains section and click on it. This will take you to a page where all your Shopify domains are listed. On the Domains page, locate the domain name you wish to verify and click on it. Selection is key here, especially if you have multiple domains listed. Ensure you're verifying the correct domain associated with your store. Upon selecting your domain, you'll be directed to its details page. This area contains important information about your domain, its status, DNS settings, and more importantly, the option to verify it. But what does verifying your Shopify domain entail? Essentially, this process involves proving ownership of the domain to Shopify and potentially to other services like Google for G Suite or email marketing tools you might want to use. It helps in authenticating your store's domain, ensuring it's recognized as a legitimate entity across the web. Verification might seem technical, but Shopify simplifies it by providing clear instructions and the necessary DNS records you need to add through your domain provider. Each provider has a slightly different interface, but the goal here is to locate the DNS settings or the area where you can manage your domain's records. Once there, you'll typically add a TXT or CNAME record provided by Shopify. This record is unique to your domain and acts as a verification key. After updating your DNS records, it can take some time for changes to propagate across the internet, usually up to 48 hours. During this waiting period, feel free to explore other aspects of your Shopify store or plan out your next big marketing campaign. Once the DNS changes have taken effect, Shopify will automatically detect the update and verify your domain. You'll receive a notification in your Shopify admin confirming the successful verification of your domain. And there you have it. You've successfully verified your Shopify domain. This not only marks a key step in setting up your Shopify store, but also lays a solid foundation for building a trustworthy online presence. Quick tips before we wrap up. Keep your login information safe and routinely check your domain's verification status, especially after making any changes to your domain settings or migrating to a new platform. Thank you for following along this tutorial. Verifying your Shopify domain might seem small in the grand scheme of things, but it's critical for your store's success. Whether you're just starting or looking to scale, each step you take towards optimizing and securing your store paves the way for a smoother operation and a better customer experience. If you found this guide helpful, stay tuned for more tips and tutorials on managing and growing your Shopify store.